The first step to ruining your 20s? Tell yourself you have time. Push everything important to next year and let future you deal with it. Want to start a business? Do it later. Thinking of getting in shape? Maybe next month. Learning a skill? I'll start Monday. You're young. You deserve to treat yourself, right? Swipe that credit card like it's a magic wand. If you even have one. Saving? Investing? That's for old people. But you're young, free, and wild. You're supposed to drown in debt, stuck in a job you hate with no escape plan. Growth is uncomfortable. So the best way to waste your 20s? Avoid it at all costs. Stick with the same toxic friends because making new ones? That's too much effort. Never take risks. Failing? That's embarrassing. Avoid challenges. If it's hard, it's probably not meant for you. Do this, and you'll wake up one day realizing you're the exact same person you were at 20, just with more regrets. The easiest way to ensure a wasted decade? Only do what feels good in the moment. Binge watch Netflix and anime instead of working on yourself. Scroll for hours instead of reading, learning, or building anything. Prioritize short-term pleasure over long-term success. This guarantees that while others are leveling up, you'll be stuck in the same cycle, bored, unfulfilled, and wondering why life isn't going your way. Your body feels fine now, so who cares, right? Eat whatever, sleep whenever, exercise never. Stay up till 4 a.m. every night, then wonder why you have no energy. Live off energy drinks, fast food, and vibes. Ignore your mental health because you're too young to burn out, right? And by the way, don't forget to let me know how many of these steps you're already following.